Salamat sa pagpaparana sa akin ng ikasal. At sinigurado mo na up until now, Disney princess ang atake ko dito. Ang sarap alalahanin ng mga araw na nangungupahan pa tayo, naaalala mo? Na nagko-commute tayo, sabay tayo nag-hustle, sabay nangangarap, nagpupuyat para mag-live selling at tayo lang dalawa ang nagsasandalan sa lungkot at pagod natin noon.
It's you. Darling, it's always been you. Forever and always you.
Una sa lahat, lang kita kung handa ka na ba. Kasi wala nang atrasan to. Habang buhay na sasakit yung ulo mo sa kulitan ko. Pero seryoso, thank you love dahil andito ka. Thank you dahil ako yung pinili mong mahalin at makasama. Thank you sa nag-uumapaw na pag-unawa, suporta at pagmamahal.
It's not the same. As long as I live, I swear that I'll give you the brightest days.
Nakita ko yung tente na malakas at lagi mong pinapalakas yung loob ko. Nakakayanin natin lahat na magkasama at magtiwala lang ako sa'yo. Tinupad mo naman yung pangako mo. Lagi mong inuuna yung kapakanan ko at ng iba bago ang sarili mo. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo at pagmamahal sa mga taong mahal ko. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Even if you met me with so many baggage, you still stayed.
All you are is all I need you to be. All I have, all you have, all of me. All we are. Keep me close, you're the sound of my heart. It's you. Hold my hand and I'll hold yours. I like the corners of your mouth. The song of your laugh is my favorite sound. Yeah, it is, so it is. Oh, I could get used to this. Oh, I'm not so sure what it is. This magic in our fingertips. Oh, I could just go on like this. Every day.
Bayaw is like brother.
Every day. Hold my hand while you walk me home. Skip the cracks, won't break no bones. If we take our time and walk real slow, we can catch the sunrise, watch the morning start to glow. Watch the morning start to glow. No, I'm not sure quite what it is. This magic in our fingertips. Oh, I could just go on like this. Every day, every day,
Thank you love sa pagmamahal mo sa akin. Yung pagmamahal mo na to, ito yung iingatan at poprotektahan ko habang buhay. And love, ayokong mag-settle ka sa less kasi deserve mo lahat ng best dito sa mundo.
You don't know how many times you saved me. You never give up on me. Your love gives me hope. Your smile gives me joy. You encourage me to grow. You help me believe in myself and become the person I am today. Thank you for always supporting me, spoiling me, and loving me this much. You have shown me the best of what life has to offer.
Deserve mong maramdaman na ikaw yung pinakamagandang babae sa oras na to at sa lahat ng oras ng buhay ko. Love, tandaan mo na kung dumating man yung oras na subukin ulit tayo ng sobra ng panahon, paulit-ulit kitang pipiliin. Pipiliin ko pa rin yung pagmamahalan natin.
I know that when death just to take my hand, I promise to find you in every lifetime, my love. I love you.